Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is compelling. Compelling is an adjective that describes something so interesting or convincing that it strongly holds your attention or gives you a powerful reason to believe or accept something. For example, the documentary was compelling because each interview revealed new information, making viewers eager to understand what had really happened before the final explanation was revealed. The lawyer presented compelling evidence showing that the suspect was in another city, giving the jury a strong reason to question the accusation against him. Her experience made a compelling case for changing the company's leave policy because it showed how the current rule created serious problems for working parents. Synonyms for compelling include convincing, persuasive, gripping, captivating, and absorbing. Compelling is often used for stories, arguments, evidence, and performances, and it emphasizes something powerfully persuasive or absorbing, not merely interesting. That's compelling. One word, stronger English.